which is happening very good. We are with so many clients and so many architects and interiors.
It was a good platform. We always recommend to have it.
BIEC has been one of the best exhibitions which I have experienced as of now, and in future also we'll be associating with BIEC.
Very prestigious event, and we are also very proud partner with DR.
It's a pleasure to participate.
I had a fantastic experience.
Happy with the services offered by BIEC. They are absolutely brilliant.
My experience here at BIEC has been amazing.
और BIEC के साथ हमारा एक अच्छा रिलेशन बना और हमारे को एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, जिससे हमारे को पता चल रहा है कि आर्किटेक्ट्स क्या चाहते हैं.
Something like this should happen more often, more conferences, more invitations. So I really enjoy the visit this time.
Thanks a lot to the BIEC team. It's an excellent platform.
I wish BIEC all the very best. We'll come next year again.
It was a very pleasant experience this year at the DR Build Expo 2024.
It's amazing to be a part of BIEC.
I'm very happy and pleased to be here as a special guest at BIEC.
Every year it's expanding, it's very informative.
This exhibition has got unique features जो कि students, professionals, lay people के लिए सबके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा platform है.